Hi, I'm Chris. I'm in the marketing department at CityWest.
Hi, and I'm Sarah, a CSR with CityWest and a mother of 3. And let me tell you, there's a lot of stuff on TV I don't want my kids watching.
Really? Like what?
Like Game of Thrones, for one.
I can see that, yeah.
The news.
It can get pretty graphic.
The American news.
Even worse.
And Caillou.
Caillou. Isn't that a kid's show?
Yeah, but he's super whiny, and that's a bad influence on my children.
Well, with that in mind, we're going to show you how you can set up some parental controls on your digital TV package.
It's pretty easy to do. It's just a few steps. First, you're going to press the menu button. A menu will come up, and then you'll use your arrow button on your remote to find Activate Parental Control. Then press OK. It will ask you for an initial PIN, so select Set PIN and enter a 4-digit PIN that you want. I'll just set it here.
What's your PIN, Sarah?
I'm not telling you that. Once you've set the PIN, you'll now need to pick what channels you want blocked. To do that, press Menu, then hit A, that little yellow triangle button, for more settings. You'll be brought to another menu. Go down to Parental Control and hit the button that points right. This one right here. This will open up another menu, and it will give you a whole bunch of options on what kinds of programming you want to lock. You can lock out by channel, rating, and time. And notice that you can also hide adult titles, which is especially useful when your kids learn to read. So we wanted to lock HBO. Go down to Locked Channels, then press that right button again. All of our channels will appear in numerical order. HBO HD is channel 570. So I just go there and press OK, and there, it's blocked.
So what happens if I want to watch something on HBO?
Well, you just go through the regular menu. When you select the channel, you'll be prompted for your PIN.
Which is?
Nice try, Chrissy. Now, here's an important part. After you're done watching the channel, you will need to reactivate the parental control. To do that, just go to that channel, then press Menu. You'll see an option called Relock this channel. Just select that option, press OK, and you've relocked it.
Boy, I think I lost track in some of those steps.
Yeah, it is a lot of steps, but it's pretty intuitive, and it really doesn't take more than a couple of minutes.
And we've always got time for TV safety.
Well, that's parental control in a nutshell.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.